Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the IDW13 Smartwatch. Okay, so we are done with the specs and design of this wearable. This time we are going to check the menus and features of this new smartwatch from the ID series, the IDW13 smartwatch. It is a sports smartwatch with a lightweight and simple design, minimalist design. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check on the different menus and features of the IDW13 smartwatch. Okay, so this is our power button here. Okay, so let's check on the watch faces. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have at least 3 preloaded watch faces here. Okay, so let's pick one. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so we have, as you can see here, the time, the date, the calories, the steps, and we have here the battery life. We also have the heart rate here. Okay, so beautiful design here. So let's check on the top here. So we have here the quick settings. Okay, so different options here. On the bottom part we have the notifications, so it's also the same with other wearables. Quick settings here, or the settings, and on the bottom part the notifications. Okay, on the right side we have the activities here. Okay, the beats. Okay, blood oxygen. We have the sports, outdoor run, sleep monitor. We have the weather, music control. We have the Bluetooth call, and I don't know what this is. Okay, Alexa setup. So this is an Alexa setup. Okay, on the left side, okay, the same. Okay, so to access the main menu, I think just press the button here. Let's see. Okay, so we have the activity tracking, the Bluetooth phone call here. We have the Alexa, the workout records. We have the heart rate. We have the blood oxygen, stress monitor. We have the sleep monitoring. We have the breathing guide, clock, weather. So this is for women. We have the cycle tracking, music control, camera control, find phone, and settings. On the settings we have the watch faces, the display. In the display we have screen brightness, screen on time. Okay, we have sounds and vibration. Let's check. We have the silent mode if you don't want to make any noise. Okay, with your smartwatch we have a ringer volume. I think this is for the Bluetooth call, vibration intensity. Do not disturb mode. We have battery level. Okay, you can also set to enter power saving mode. That is very good. Okay, we have the general. So what's included in the general? We have power off, restart, and reset. Well, let's go back. Settings. Then we have about IDW13 model. And we have the help here. Okay, scan the QR code for help. Okay, let's go with the sports functions. So we have here the workout. So tap on the workout. We have running, outdoor running. We have indoor running, outdoor walk, indoor walk, hiking, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle. We also have cricket, pool swimming, so, and open water swimming when you are on the beach. That's good. Okay, so meaning the smartwatch do have a good waterproof rating. We have the Again, let's access. You have the yoga, okay, and other sports here such as rower. We also have elliptical workout, functional strength training, okay. Yes, we also have a core training, and we have a cool down. So it is a good list of sports function. Not that comprehensive compared to other wearables, but so far we do have a okay, nice speaker, very loud. Okay, we have the time for the outdoor running, calories, distance, okay, aerobic training effect. Okay, so there's a lot of options. Okay, let's end it. Okay, pausing, stop. Okay, so far so good here. Oops. Okay, so we have the Alexa. Let's see the animation for the heart rate here. I don't see any lights here. So it can detect whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. Okay, that's good. So far that's a good sign that we don't have just a random checking here, a fixed sensor. So meaning we do have a real sensor for its heart rate. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so it may take some time. So beats per minute. So we have the ups and down here. So this is a real-time monitoring. I don't know, maybe this, okay, we have 77. Oh, it's still okay. I guess this is a continuous maybe. Okay, so we have here this 79 beats per minute. Okay, so I thought we are set to continuous monitoring of our heart rate. Okay, 79 beats per minute. So for the quick settings here, so let's check. What's this? Wake gesture on. I want to adjust the time for the screen timeout. Screen on time. Let's oops. Okay, just 15 seconds. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's check for the blood oxygen. We have a blood oxygen here, so we also have, how about the stress? Okay, wear the watch to monitor sleep quality. This is sleep function. Okay, let's check, are we stressed or not? So far I'm impressed with a IDW13 smartwatch. It has a good UI. The sound is very promising. It has a loudspeaker, as you can hear on the tone. We'll see on the next few days, especially for the Bluetooth call and notifications. We will have a demo on it. Okay, we'll also have a demo on the installation of the support app. So it is normal, so I'm not stressed, just okay. Okay, so we have here some information here. HRV stress score, we also have that here. Okay, so far we do have a simple but good smartwatch here, and we have a stable connection with the support app. Okay, I like the connectivity, very fast and stable. We just hope that this smartwatch do have a good battery life, but it features Bluetooth call, notifications, and the other one, I guess this is the one of the unique feature of the wearable, the Alexa AI voice support. With this feature you can control, okay, Amazon smart devices. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the IDW13 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.